welcome to the DAX for Starters video. Here we will be creating 4 measures that I am sure you will be using in many of your reports. So we'll help you as an intro to what DAX is and give you an idea of ways you can create your own measures. So first I'll go to the key measures table. This is a table that I created as a bucket for measures. If you're interested in knowing how I did that, please review my key measures for Power BI reports video. Here we have a pre-developed measure, just so I can show you how DAX measure is set up. First you have the measure name and then the actual function. In this case we're counting. And what are we counting? We are counting from the incident field and the incident facts table. First we will create a measure that will count the states with incidents greater than 10. So this includes an expression with a filter. So to do that we want to do calculate. Calculate allows us to have an expression with a filter. So our expression is to count the distinct states. So we want to distinct count states, close that, add our filter. We want to actually add the filter function. So filter, we were filtering using the incident count. So what table has the incident count measure in it? The key measures table. And we want to do where incident count is greater than 10. Close that, press enter, and that will give you your value. There are 47 states with incidents greater than 10 in the 1990s. The next is distinct ages. So here you just want a distinct count of ages. So it's just, we'll put distinct count. We'll distinctly count the ages. And if you type in, I'll just type in age, then Power BI gives me the option of columns that includes that word. So I'll just choose what I want here, press enter. The next measure we will create is the incidents in the current month. So this is another expression based on a filter, but our expression in this case is already created. It's the incident count. So it's the incident count based on the current month, and this will change as each month changes. So you want this filter to be a dynamic filter. We will start by adding calculate. Our expression is going to be incident count. And add our comma, and our filter will be dynamic. We want to filter the date table, our actual date table. And the expression is the month, so we want the month of today. Close that. And that gives us the number of incidents that happen in January or the current month, which is 265. Our last measure will be the last incident date. So what is the last date recorded in the data set? This can also be used for the last refresh date. So here we want to get the maximum. So what is the maximum number? And we'll choose max A because there are values and text. What is the maximum incident date? Press enter. The last date in the 1990s for incident was December 6, 1999, and we want to do a little formatting here, change that. So we see that there. We can just scroll through. In the 2000s, the last incident happened December 11th. There are 43 states with incidents greater than 10, 50 distinct ages, 351 incidents that happened in January. 2010s, the last incident happened in September, 315 in the current month. So now you have some simple DAX equations. If you have any questions, please email me. Make sure you subscribe and check out more videos. Bye.